Locked out of your ADP account. Login problems are common, but usually easy to fix with the right steps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, always use the "Forgot your user ID, password" link on the login page. ADP will send recovery instructions to your registered email. Check your spam folder if you don't see it. If that doesn't work, your account might be locked due to too many failed attempts. You'll need to contact your company's ADP system administrator to unlock it. My crucial pro tip: bookmark the correct login portal. ADP has different URLs for different services: Workforce Now, Run, Portal. Make sure you're using the exact web address provided by your company or ADP. Logging into the wrong portal is a common reason for access failures. Regain your access quickly and get back to work. What's your best trick for keeping track of all your business login URLs? I need ideas. For more simple tech solutions, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.